Keyword density for SEO. Does keyword density still matter for SEO? We'll explain what keyword density is and answer whether or not it actually helps your site rank. Keyword density is an indicator of the number of times the selected keyword appears on the web page. But mind you, keywords shouldn't be overused but should be just sufficient enough to appear in important places. If you repeat your keywords with every other word on every line, then your site will probably be rejected as an artificial site or spam site. Keyword density is always expressed as a percentage of the total word content on a given web page. Suppose you have 100 words on your web page, and you use a certain keyword 5 times in the content. The keyword density on that page is got by simply dividing the total number of keywords by the total number of words that appear on your web page. So here it is 5 divided by 100 equals 0.05. Because keyword density is a percentage of the total word count on the page, multiply the above by 100. That is 0.05x 100 equals 5%. The accepted standard for a keyword density is between 3% and 5% to get recognized by the search engines, and you should never exceed it. Remember that this rule applies to every page on your site. It also applies not just to one keyword but also to a set of keywords that relates to a different product or service. The keyword density should always be between 3% and 5%. Simple steps to check the density. Copy and paste the content from an individual web page into a word processing software program like Word. Go to the Edit menu and click Select All. Now go to the Tools menu and select Word Count. Write down the total number of words on the page. Now select the Find function on the Edit menu. Go to the Replace tab and type in the keyword you want to find. Replace that word with the same word, so you don't change the text. When you complete the Replace function, the system will provide a count of the words you replaced. That gives the number of times you have used the keyword on that page. Using the total word count for the page and the total number of keywords, you can now calculate the keyword density. Alternatively, there are tons of online tools that will quickly determine keyword density for you. A simple Google search for keyword density checker will return multiple options. We hope this video helped you understand what keyword density is and why it matters for SEO. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.